Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Bezzera BZ07. This machine was brought in because it had low pressure and the customer noticed that more water was flowing back into the water reservoir than normal. And so that really accounts for the lack of pressure in the group head. And what we had found is that the air valve was not functioning. And the air valve is what is the next piece after the pump. It goes water reservoir, flow meter, pump, air valve. And there's also an overpressure valve eventually as well. And it's the air valve and OPV that put water back into the water reservoir, kind of regulating the pressure. And it was failing, and so it basically was letting too much water pass by, flow back into the tank, and that's why not enough water was making it to the group head. And so we replaced that, and here it is functioning once again. And let's test it out. Let's pull a shot. Beautiful. You can see that the flow is very good here. Perhaps just even a little fast. I think I tighten up my grind maybe. Boom. Alright. Well, let's test some of the other features like the steam. There we go. The soft steamer. Looking good. Hot water. Ooh. Oh yeah. Pump coming back on, recognizing that water has left the boiler. Alright. Working great. Alright, thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.